Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on Database Management Systems, or DBMS. In today's session, we'll dive into the world of databases, exploring what they are, why they're important, and how DBMS plays a crucial role in managing them efficiently. So let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what exactly a Database Management System, or DBMS, is. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It's a software system designed to store, retrieve, and manage data in a structured manner. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet where you can store and organize vast amounts of data, making it easily accessible and usable whenever needed. Now, let's break down the term database and management in DBMS. A database is simply a collection of organized data stored electronically in a computer system. This data can range from text and numbers to multimedia files and beyond. It serves as a central repository for storing and managing information. On the other hand, management refers to the activities involved in organizing, controlling, and maintaining the database. This includes tasks like adding new data, updating existing data, deleting unwanted data, and ensuring the integrity and security of the data. Now that we understand the basic concepts, let's delve deeper into the functionalities and importance of DBMS. DBMS offers a wide range of functionalities, including data storage, retrieval, manipulation, and security. It provides users with a structured and efficient way to interact with data, making it easier to perform tasks such as querying, reporting, and analysis. Furthermore, DBMS plays a crucial role in ensuring data integrity, consistency, and security. It helps in preventing unauthorized access to data, maintaining data accuracy, and enforcing data constraints. In today's digital age, where data is abundant and valuable, DBMS has become an indispensable tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals alike. And that wraps up our introduction to database management systems. We've covered the basics of what DBMS is, its functionalities, and its importance in today's data-driven world. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on DBMS and other exciting topics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates. Until next time.